This is the more advanced model. Now I have added Bluetooth into this module. Bluetooth is on. When you switch down, it will be on manual mode. When you put into pulsate, you will find this green light is blinking. That means it will keep transmitting forever. I mean, when you want to stop the transmission, you have to put into treat mode. When you want to make a energy remedies, we have 15 knobs here. 15 knobs because we have a rate, a maximum number of digits is 7. So when you want to combine two rates like regenerate pancreas, regenerate liver, such commands, intentions can be combined by using these 15 knobs. It's very clear. You have to start from the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like this. While setting the number, you set from here, then you end up here. In between, you have to keep one gap so that universal consciousness, or when you see these rates again, you will be very clear that you have set for one intention and with a gap another intention or combination of intention. Then you have, this is a potentizer. We have a set of standard potencies guided by Mata Narayani Mataji of Soham Foundation. Like batch remedies are to be set at 200 potency, organ remedies to be set at CM potency, like this. Now we have in-well and out-well. You can make copies of your own remedies, energy remedies. Many people have found out very useful by using potentized energy medicine, energy remedies I call. And it's also used for making personalized nosodes. Nosodes are the remedies, medicines made by potentizing the diseased product, like pus formation. Any pus is made, if a medicine is made from pus, is called as pyrogenum. And healthy organs also, they are used for making the remedies. They are called as sarcodes. Here we don't use any raw material like that. We have only a remedy as a thought. Means all this work has been already done by the pioneers of this field, and we have approximately 13,000 rates that can be used in various potencies. Here potency means only a depth what it is working. We have here the LM rates, X rates and centesimal rates. And it is having all the four bases: base 10, base 44, base 336 and base 1008, which is designed by me. Base 336, base 44 can be changed by this switch. During that time, keep this button. It has got a 3 position in my new model, so you can keep it in the center. Here we have C, X and LM potencies. This is a potency switch. This is the base switch, base 10 and base. When you keep this base switch in the center, that time these two bases will be active. For example, now you are keeping it in neutral. You want to base 10, you have to put it to this knob into top. If you want base 336, put it in the bottom. And for example, now you want base 1008. That time what we do, change that switch to 1008 mode, and here also 336. Both should be down. Then it will work for 1008. Why? Because 1008 is an extension of base 336. Okay, now we want to base 10. Put it to base 10. Put that base into 44. Because base 44 is the extension of base 10. So here you have number from 0 to 10 and 0 to 44. So at the time of when you are setting to base 44, that time we use the outer dial. When we use base 1008, putting into this 336, that time also we use the outer dial. It's a simple thing. There is no, many people are confused why I made 1008. It is nothing but when a circle is divided into 10 parts, it becomes a base 10. When you divide into 44 parts, it becomes a base 44. Now when is a base 336 is divided into 44 division, that becomes a 1008. That's so simple. But it will help in deriving the rates. Here we have stick pad. While making any derivation, we can use this last knob as a measurement knob generally. For all the negative energies should be measured from the 0. All positive energy should be measured from the 10, assuming that you have a 0 negative energy and you have a full 100% positive energy. In radionic analysis, vibronic analysis, anything greater than 85% in positive energy is okay, no need to treat. If anything below 15% in the negative reading, it's also okay, because body has its own defense mechanism. It adjusts of its own. Now let me make simple operation. I mean simple operation of this instrument. You have been using a similar instrument since many days. You have to set the number from here to here, set the potency, select the potency, what potency you want LM set in the center, C put in the top, X is at the bottom. See, it is also extension of law of attraction. You should ask what you want. You should be very clear in what asking. You want the remedies, energy remedies in the LM scale. So set it to LM. Set the LM potencies according to the outer dial. Then press this treat button. Keep here a sugar, or you can say that all instruction is given. You can use in a water or a homeopathic alcohol, absolute alcohol for making a energy remedies, or even crystal salt. Like list of things are there. What all you can keep it here for imprinting the thought. Even water, if you keep water here, the water is the best media for imprinting the thoughts. So now green light is gone. That means the intention is already imprinted in whatever the vehicle you have kept it here. Vehicle means sugar or lactose or water, alcohol, anything. So this is how energy remedies are made. Similarly, when you want to copy something, just set everything to 0. Set everything to 0. Keep the material you want to imprint, or you can say copy. Keep that in this inwell, and outwell you keep from in which you want to make the remedy. Both the material should be same. Plastic, both the side plastic, or both the side should be glass. So it follows the mathematical principle, like if you multiply and divide by same number, the value doesn't change. So that's what here it is done. We can use the same material, and since it is working on the principle of magnetogeometry, we need only circular based bottles. So inwell and outwell, or for making the remedies, all should be, it should be only circle. In my previous video, when I was watching back, I observed that base setting is having little bit of confusion. I want to correct it. Base 44 and base 336 should be set from here. You want base 44, set to base 44, and make sure that here this 3 position switch should be set in the center, so that this is neutral. Now when you set it to base 336, set it to base 336 by keeping this into center, neutral position. Now when you want to set 1008, first set your this switch into 336 and put into 1008. I already told, because 1008 is extension of base 336. Now you want to make base 10. put the switch into base 44, put the switch into selection switch into base 10. Now, because the base 44 is the extension of base 10, because here in all our rate book we get base 44 and 336 numbers. Many times, you are sure you will come to know that when you set to base 10, many numbers are having the same numbers. I mean, many rates are the same for different energies. That time the universal consciousness will not know what you want exactly or what you are setting for, because everything is recorded subconsciously. So when you want base 10, put into top, put this into base 44. When you want base, when you set it to 336 and set it to 1008, it is 1008. When you set into neutral position, that becomes a 336. When you put into 44, when you put into neutral position, it becomes base 44.